are watching News Bites Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
This is News Bites' official review of the new Tecno Pova. The Tecno Pova package consists of the unit itself, a screen protector that is not pre-applied, a power brick, a USB cable, and earphones. The Tecno Pova sports a 6.8-inch display with a punch-hole design for its front camera. It has an aspect ratio of 20.5 to 9 and a screen-to-body ratio at around 90.4%. With a 720p resolution screen, the device is only able to put up an average 263 pixels per inch. This is understandable since the screen real estate is large and given the price, a 720p resolution makes sense. The display works well on social media apps and regular web browsing. On the center of the back panel is a round fingerprint sensor. And while the recognition speed of the Pova's fingerprint sensor is good, it has a slightly large recognition error rate at around 10 to 15%. For this review, we used the 6GB RAM plus 64GB ROM Magic Blue variant. The Tecno Pova is also equipped with a MediaTek Helio G80 chip paired with a Mali G52 MC2 GPU. The built-in game mode on the Pova works well in optimizing gaming performance. Even with all the new bells and whistles in the system, the HiOS skin is still the Pova's weakest link. The interface looks and feels so outdated that it is actually surprising to see the newer features that are seen on more mainstream brands. The icon designs are bordering on legacy aesthetics, and the amount of bloatware gives off a gimmicky and cheap vibe from the device. One of the main selling points for this device is the large capacity 6000 mAh battery. The Pova uses a quick charge functionality called 18 watts dual IC flash charge. The brand claims that it is 20% faster than regular 18 watts fast chargers. Light to average users who browse the web and use their phones for social media can enjoy the phone for more than a full day of usage. With heavy multitasking or online gaming, the battery life is still able to last a full day's worth. In conclusion, the Tecno brand is stepping up its game when it comes to competitive pricing. Although the HiOS skin needs a much-needed rework when compared to other brands for the entry-level segment, with its low price, there isn't much to complain with the new Tecno Pova.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.